Hi there. That's a little bit of a catch up here with a pressure washer, the battery powered, and this one here, the battery powered spray bottle, which I bought. I've got it 6 weeks ago. No, 7 weeks ago. 7 weeks I have this now. I haven't changed the battery on this one yet, and you can see I use it every day basically. This one, more or less every day. Yeah, and it still works absolutely brilliant. Now you can adjust the nozzle on the front. You can see it is a little bit, but this is normal because it's the pump. You can see how it sprays. It is not a constant spray. It's a little bit. You can see the pump inside. You can feel it on the pressure. You know, you can see it. You can hear it as well. Yeah, but still, it's doing very well for spraying. For rinsing after plating or so, perfect. If you have small items, or if I have bigger items, I use the other one. I use the other battery powered. It's a small battery powered pressure washer, basically the other one, which I'll show you in a minute. But look at this, it sprays well. Right. Now I'll show you the other one. That's the other one, which I also bought 7 weeks ago. So you can see it's quite used now. And this is 5 liters of water going in there. I use only deionized water because there's a water level now. Because I rinse it in between stages and stuff like this when I do plating. Here's the button. Down there, switch it on, green light goes on, and you can hear the compressor or whatever. It's not a compressor, whatever is running in the motor or whatever. And you can see, look, it's doing well. It's doing very well. The pressure is really well. It's really good, the pressure, and maybe a little bit too much for my needs, really. But if you would use it for a car wash or so, it's maybe not enough, or maybe it should be alright, maybe. Right, I haven't charged the battery yet. There's a battery inside, you can charge it. Apparently it takes you only, I don't know, it doesn't take you long. I think it's an hour or so to charge, but I have never charged it. Now I use it more or less every day, but only for rinsing small or mid, parts what I plate. And so I don't use it constantly. It's not running like this. It's only sprayed over for a few seconds, so this is why I haven't charged it. But I use it basically every day. And so it will maybe sooner or later. Now I need to recharge it, the battery, but it's absolutely brilliant. I would recommend this definitely for things like what I do. Is perfect. I use this pump spray bottles, and before, and I don't like them at all. So this is a container. This is a catch where I catch all this stuff. When I open the top, it's all going in a container. There's the top, and the top here is full. Then it's gonna go going in the container, and I empty the container. Job done. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this is the thing here. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up, and put the bell on, the notification bell, so you can get notifications every time I upload a video. Could be every week, could be every 4 weeks, 6 weeks. I haven't done it for 4 weeks, I think. So yeah, that's it. Would I buy again this machine, this thing here, and the other spray bottle? Yes, definitely. I would buy another one. They're only sometimes in Lidl's. This is from Lidl's, but maybe you can get it from somewhere else. I don't know. Where's the Parkside? Yeah, it's little stuff. But it's brilliant. It works well. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.